How to use screen magnification on Android phone? So let's see. First, open phone setting. Here, search magnification you can also find, but search is easy option. So search magnification. Here you can see magnification show. Open this, then open magnification setting. Turn on this. So every phone have different settings for access this. So set this according to your phone brand. Like M select triple tap on screen. When I touch triple time, this feature will be open. So as you can see, when I touch three time, then this feature will be open. I can zoom this and read this. You can also zoom more. So in this way you can use this magnification feature, as you can see. So thanks for watching.